Namaste, I am Manjula and welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Moong Dal Halwa is a delicious and festive sweet from North India. It's a rich, creamy, pudding-like dessert. I like Moong Dal Halwa, but it is a long process and for me, stirring the halwa was becoming difficult. While trying to make the process easy, I also decided to make it vegan. I was happily surprised with the result. This is a must to try recipe. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to receive the future recipes. If you like recipes, leave the comment and share on social media. This recipe will serve 4 and Moong Dal Halwa need very few ingredients. For Moong Dal Halwa, we need half a cup split yellow moong dal, half a cup sugar, 1/4 cup grapeseed oil. This is my preferred oil to make any vegan dessert. 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder, few strands of crushed saffron, this is optional, about 2 teaspoons of sliced almonds to garnish. We also need 2.5 cup of water. Now I am ready to start making halwa. First I will dry roast the moong dal. I have cleaned the dal rubbing between 2 paper towel. So heat should be low medium and keep stirring. It will take about 8 minutes and it should be golden brown. It has been about 7 minutes. As you see the color, it is getting to the nice roasted golden brown. So just 1 more minute. Dal has come to the right color. So turn off the heat and put this in a bowl, and it has to come to room temperature before we are going to grind it. So while dal is getting cold, I am going to make the syrup. So here it is 2.5 cup of water, half a cup of sugar, cardamom powder and saffron. Bring it to the boil and sugar be melted. We don't have to boil after that. So syrup has come to boil and all the sugar is dissolved. So we will turn off the heat. Now dal is at room temperature and we are going to blend it and make it into a powder. I have grinded dal to a fine powder. So this is just a right texture. Now I am ready to make moong dal halwa. I like to use the heavy pan. So I am first going to put the oil and then moong dal powder. Open the heat to low medium. Mix it and keep stirring till it mix it well. Just keep stirring and it should take about 2 minutes and it will become little bit more brown color. You need that because this is the color I want when the halwa is ready, and after you add the syrup, dal will become into the lighter color. So we have to cook little bit more. This has been about 3 minutes. Color is looking just right and dal has become very aromatic. So now we are going to add the sugar syrup slowly because it will splatter. So add this slow. Add some, stir it. And then we will add some more. Don't add the syrup all at one time. Now I am going to add rest of the syrup and mix it well. Let the halwa cook till it becomes the thick batter consistency. While you are cooking, halwa has a very nice aroma. Halwa is ready. Turn off the heat. Right now it's looking more soft, but as it becomes cooler, it will become thick. So I will garnish the halwa with few strings of saffron and sliced almonds. Halwa is ready to serve. Enjoy it. Till we meet again, check out more recipes on manjulaskitchen.com. Thank you.